Now, this is a consolidation area. You guys see how this is starting to tighten right here on, what is this, 827-ish? 830. You see how it's starting to consolidate a bit here at 830?
Yep.
Oh, it's buyers are starting to fade a little bit here, right?
Yeah.
No reason to panic as long as you're above the what?
The 9.
Thank you. 950 is resistance and 830 is support. So we need to break
There you go.
50 to the upside, and we're watching support at 830, right, gang? Okay, good.
Coach,
Yes.
I snuck in on that kind of a hit and run, made $1,300 on the PHIO.
Nice.
Awesome. That's awesome. Right here, I told you, right? PHIO, 950 resistance, support 830. You see, this is what I was talking about. Now, I want you guys to understand why we saw this, okay? Notice the pattern change. It drove up real nice and clean. And then I told you guys this is consolidating now. Do you see the difference in the pattern change? So we had run straight up, chop. And I told you buyers are fading here. Isn't that exactly what I said?
Yep.
Yes.
Yeah. You can see it.
Yep. Now we broke through support at 830 and it's testing the 9. This is all weak. Look at that. Did I save anybody on that?
Yeah, you did me, Coach. I got out on that first red candle.
And that's why I said, though, right? Look for a pattern change. Look for something that is out of the ordinary, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, real quick, if you are an advanced scalper, you can scalp the 9. So if this breaks above 8, I would wait till the break above 830. You could scalp it. And if I do, my stop's going to be right here around 8. You guys see this? So if it does go back up, and only if, make sure your position size is good enough where you could take the hit from 830 to 8. So you need to be able to handle a 30-cent move. So that comes back to position size, right? If you can't handle that big of a move, then you got to go smaller until it makes sense. Because if you can't have this with a 30-cent window for a scalp, you can't make this trade because this is what it's going to move. Does that make sense?